everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. In today's video you can see that I have got the DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer. Now I've been using the regular Enchanted, but I wanted to give the Shimmer a try as well. I've been getting really good results with the regular Enchanted Iridescence, and I wanted to try the Shimmer out. So I have got, let's see, an 8x16 canvas here. And my last video, not my last, the one before, I did this swipe. And this was with the regular Enchanted. And just look at how gorgeous those colors are. They turned out so pretty. It's really kind of fun to see how it dries and to see how those colors come alive. And then, so I had such good luck with that, I wanted to try the Shimmer. And here's one of my test, kind of my test piece, and I don't know if you can see that, but you can see that extra shimmeriness in there. So pretty. So I'm going to try a different base color, and it's so pretty. I don't know if you can pick that iridescence up, but I mixed a couple colors together, and that is Quinacridone Magenta, Liquitex Basics, and then I added some Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue. Just gave it a little bit of extra shimmeriness to it, so it's super pretty. And then I will be, since I'm swiping, I'm going to be using Amsterdam Lamp Black, and that's in my bottle here, and that is mixed with Australian Floetrol. So that I got some really cool different looking cells when I did this one. I don't know if you can kind of see. I should have showed you before, but they're almost like fractaled cells. They're really cool. And if you missed that video, you can always go check that out, because it really did turn out really pretty. So the way, let me get my gloves on real quick, and then I can show you these maybe up a little closer. The Shimmer, can't get my gloves on, my nails are in the way. I don't know if you guys can see the shininess in there. But they are super pretty. And the way that I mixed these was 1 part paint to 1 part pouring medium. And my pouring medium is Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and water. I did notice that the Enchanted Shimmer is a little bit thicker than the regular Enchanted, because when I mixed up those, I didn't need as much pouring medium. And also, you know, also depends on what technique you're using, to be honest, how thick. You may want to add a little bit more pouring medium or not. If you're doing more of a ring pour, you may want a little bit of a thicker consistency for your paint. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this canvas covered, and then we can get started. Alright guys, so I have got my canvas all covered, and I also have a tile here, and I'm going to put my my cell activator on the tile, and then I'm going to dip it in, dip my swipe tool in that, and then I'll be swiping that way. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get started putting the shimmer paints on. All right, here we go with the dried photos, and all I can say is wow. This dried so beautiful. I just love how these colors changed and just came alive when they dried. They're so sparkly and shimmery, and they actually dried really glossy. So I do like that. I did not get the fractaled cells in this one, but man, I just love it. It's just gorgeous. These Enchanted shimmer paints are beautiful. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend you do. They are so much fun. You can use them in so many different techniques. I'm super excited about them. And I would love to hear your guys' thoughts, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And also, one way that really helps me out is to share this video. So if you know somebody that you think may like it, go ahead and share it with them. And also guys, I do have a Facebook group. I'm not sure, some of you guys might not know that. It is also called Acrylic Pouring with Friends, which is easy because it's the same name as my YouTube channel. So it's a great group, Acrylic Pouring group. Go check it out. Lots of helpful people when I'm not there to answer questions. There's a lot of helpful artists there as well. And don't forget to check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all of your acrylic pouring tool needs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope you got something out of it, and I really hope you have a fabulous weekend. I've got a bunch more videos for you to check out, and I'll catch you in the next one.